Score the duck breasts. Check the scoring to make sure the skin of the duck is fully cut. Slices should be around 1 inch apart. In a small bowl, add fish sauce, honey. Using 2 limes, squeeze 3 of the 4 lime sides. Wedge the remaining piece. Using a strainer, pour the juice into the honey and fish sauce, then mix. In a cast iron pan on medium heat, add the duck breast skin side down. Starting at a low heat will allow the duck to render its own oil. Cook for 7 minutes or until the skin is crispy. After the skin side is crispy, flip the duck breast over. Continue cooking for 3 minutes. It should be brown on both the meat side and the skin side. Allow the duck to rest for 5 minutes. To make the salad, toss the mixed greens and the scallions together before placing it on the plate. Then add yellow pepper, cherry tomatoes, apricots, cashews. Cut the duck into 1-inch slices. Place the duck on top of the salad, add your Thai chili peppers, and pour half the dressing per salad. Place lime wedges on the side, and enjoy your Thai duck salad.